Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install KeePass in your Windows operating system in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for KeePass and then click enter. After you're going to get the KeePass official website over here. So if you click on the downloads option, you're going to get different downloading options. So I'm going to go for installer for Windows. Click on this option. It will going to direct me to the SourceForge website. After that, you can simply see the download option appear. If you click on the download, as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on the 2 times to install, click run, click yes for the permission, click OK, and now you can simply set up wizard. It shows up. On that occasion, you have to select I accept the agreement and then click next, then next. Click on this create a desktop shortcut and then next and click on install. After that, you can now simply click on the finish, and here is your KeePass. It is saying that enable automatic update check. You can simply click on enable it, and here is your KeePass rightly opened in your computer system, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install KeePass in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.